Hi everyone, I am Shom. Today I am super excited to unbox the brand new HMD 110 4G Keypad mobile. At first, let's unwrap the packaging. Right here we have the box. Here is some key feature. You can purchase this phone from HMD India official website, Flipkart and Amazon. Link in the description. Now let's open the box. Now look what is inside the box. Here is the first look of the phone. The phone's design has that reliable classic keypad style, yet it is slim and fits comfortably in the hand. Perfect for everyday use, especially if you like the tactile feel of the physical buttons. Let's open the back panel by pressing here. Alright, let's put the SIM card and the battery in and power it up. Here is dual SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot that supports up to 32 GB. While I am setting the device, let us discuss the key features of the phone. It has 2.4-inch LCD display, 1450 mAh powerful battery, Type-C charging, cloud phone app for accessing YouTube, YouTube Shorts and YouTube Music. It has dual 4G supports for crystal clear voice, Bluetooth, wireless FM radio, call recording, and the camera for UPI scan and pay. Right here you can see Airtel and VI India dual 4G supported, and upper side you can see 4G and VoLTE sign. Here is some app, message, Snake, FM radio. Setting, under setting you can see VoLTE option. In the internet section we have Opera Mini, and there we can search. Here it is Google. I am searching YouTube here, but YouTube is not opening here. For that we have to go cloud phone app. It's opening. It may take some time to opening for the first time, and my internet connection is not very good, so it may buffer. It has opened now. Let's play some video on YouTube. It is super fast. Let's browse some videos and let's play those videos in front of you. Let's select a video. I'm just scrolling for you. You can see this. Let's play this video. Now watch the video qualities of the phone. You can hear the sound as well. The sound and the video quality is okay for this keypad phone, and sound is extra loud.
Gap here between first and that gully. Real interest there. Crashes into the pads. Shaheen Shah Afridi.
Let's play a song for you. Let's select a video. You can see the in-hand feeling, in-hand experience. Let's play this music. Okay. This video is very dark, but you can see this. Feel the quality. For loudness, you can hear the music. It is super loud. I am sharing some photos of the device at the end, so watch till the end. There is only a difference between HMD 1104G and HMD 1054G. HMD 1104G has camera and HMD 105 hasn't. Both of these phones has a simple interface, ideal for those who prefer no distractions and easy access to calls and texts. That was the quick look of HMD 1104G mobile. It is classic, reliable and comes with just essentials. Perfect for anyone looking for simplicity with a touch of 4G connectivity. Thanks for watching.